tubaye ikaze muri ino gahunda yacu no kuganira kuri gahunda y'igihugu tuzi twese muri NST2 yo kugira ngo tugabanye ikibazo dufite cy'imihindagurikire y'ikirere.
Leveraging high integrity carbon market lead to verifiable emission reductions, provide a dependable revenue stream. Advancements in methodologies are strengthening trust in carbon markets.
imishinga itangira startup businesses zishaka kwinjira muri market ariko zidafite uburyo zidafite the technical part also the financial part, so tubaha amafaranga bakaba batazabisubiza.
Without being a finance expert, one of the reasons that I hear a lot that we are discussing in the insurance sector is that why businesses might struggle is also because of the high risk perception in the finance sector, which has to do with the limited understanding of the people in the sector.
A lot of examples in history from this. Airbnb is an example, Uber is another example. These companies did not have enough technologies, and because they entered the market at a time when there was a huge amount of demand and little supply for what they were offering, they were able to be successful. The second element actually we found was the team. If you have the right team, you will figure out the right way to get the right product. So that's why actually in my company, for example, I really focus a lot on recruitment to get the right people in place. Because if you have the right people, the right mindset, and the right desire to work and contribute, it will help you figure out the right strategy for your company.
You need to invest in establishing the supply chains. You need to invest in creating awareness. You need to invest in making the solutions affordable to households, especially those of low income. But where does this money come from? So for very long we've looked externally at international sources of finance, so from donors who provide various grants as well as opportunities in climate finance, for instance.